floral card. There's 3 packs of card on the show. This is our double-sided card. So I'm going to cut a few little pieces. I'm using my A5 machine. I just need to cut this in half. You'll get 6 segments from 1 piece of A4 card for your lantern. A lantern needs 8 segments altogether. So it doesn't even take 1.5 A4 sheets to make a lantern, and you don't need any glue. Right, so do I want spotty or floral? Right, let's go floral first of all. So I'm gonna cut 3 at a time. Like I said, if I'd got my A4 machine out and I'd got 6 base pieces, because I bought all of the. So you'll see that has straight away cut out 3 pieces already. And of course you can see by the width of these that these will go through any of your sort of mini machines. So you can of course sit and do them one at a time just for your little mini machines. Make my 8, so you can see that's how quick and simple, and I'll show you how simple it is to put one of these lanterns together. There's no glue, no fuss, just a bit of ribbon. Is how you can make yourself. Now I've got 8 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see I'm going to alternate this. So I've got both of the patterns from that double-sided pack. So I've got dotty, floral, dotty, floral, dotty, floral. So I'm going to cut a piece of ribbon. It tends to be about ½ meter long, and I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to tie a loop in the top. You're just going to pull that through. You can see I'm using my flower tool because it hasn't got a sharp end. It's perfect for lantern making. Right, so I've put that through all of the layers, all 8 layers, using my flower tool, and then I'm going to run that down the back of the stack of segments, and then just poke that through the other side. Just give it a little bit of a, and then what I'm going to do is, so that's through, you can see that's gone in one way and out the other, like you're doing a big stitch. And then I'm going to make the lantern smile. So I'm going to push that up, and the size that you want this to be is between 10 and 11 centimeters. When you're measuring between 10 and 11 centimeters, and then all I'm going to do is knot the ends. There's lots of different ways lots of different things you can use to hold this in place, but I find a good couple of knots and we're good to go. I'm just going to do one more, just bring that up a little bit further. And what I really like is you can just unpack these now. So you can see my lantern is smiling. All right, and it's all in one piece, and all I'm going to do is unfold it, and this is where the magic happens. So I'm just going to flip each segment from underneath and flip it around, and this will come out in a pattern because I've got the floral and that polka dot. There we go. And it really is that simple. No glue, a piece of ribbon, and then if I want to, I can add in some, I can decorate the tail of the tassel of my lantern if I want to. So I'm going to use, I just want the clear ones, I think. So what I'm going to do to stick these to my tassels is I'm going to back to back them and sandwich the ribbon in the centre. So I'm just going to lay that ribbon down because these are already adhesive, so I'm just peeling off that backing. You can see how simple that was to put together.